It is a continuation, children. Show that the function given by f of x is equal to e raised to 2x is strictly increasing on R. Is strictly increasing on R. We have to show that it is increasing. If we want to show that it is increasing, we have to show that f dash of x is greater than 0, isn't it? Take the f of x. F of x is equal to e raised to 2x. Differentiate it with respect to x. It becomes f dash of x is equal to 2e raised to 2x. How 2e raised to 2x? If you get confusion, e raised to 2x derivative is e raised to 2x. 2x derivative is 2. So that which is equal to 2e raised to 2x. So f dash of x is equal to 2 into, what do you mean by the e raised to x? E raised to x expansion will be 1, 2x square divided by 2 factorial and the so on. So 2 into, it means the something always. So e raised to value will be always 1 point something. So it will be approximately 2 point something. So 2 e raised to 2x will be approximately 2.1, which is always greater than 0. It is greater than 0. Therefore, since f dash of x is greater than 0, hence f of x is strictly increasing function on R. Strictly increasing function on R. Next, it is a strictly increasing function. Next problem. Let us go to next problem. Show that function the function given by, put the star, given by f of x is equal to sin x is, first one, strictly increasing in 0, pi by 2. Strictly increasing in 0, pi by 2. Second one, we have to show that it is strictly decreasing in pi by 2 to pi. Strictly decreasing in pi by 2 to pi. Consider the function f of x is equal to what? Sin x. F of x is equal to sin x. We shall differentiate it. What will be the derivative? F dash of x is equal to cos x. F dash of x is equal to cos x. First condition they had given that since since for each x belongs to 0 comma pi by 2, x belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. So 0 comma pi by 2 means in graph 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2, isn't it? This is the graph. A S T C, A S T C rule. All trigonometric ratios is positive in between 0 to pi by 2. Between 0 to pi by 2, what will be the cos? Cos will be always greater than 0 in the first quadrant. ASTC rule. According to ASTC rule, first quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so f dash of x will be greater than 0, isn't it? So what will you give the reason? So we will give the reason that because cos x in first quadrant is positive, is positive. Therefore f dash of x is equal to cos x is always greater than 0. Hence f is strictly increasing in 0 comma pi by 2. Increasing in 0 comma pi by 2. 0 comma pi by 2 means first quadrant. Next go to second condition. Since for x belongs to pi by 2 to pi. Since x belongs to pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi means it comes in which quadrant? Pi by 2 to pi. 0 pi by 2 pi. Pi by 2 to pi means it comes in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative, isn't it? So therefore you will give the conclusion because cos x lies in second quadrant. It is negative. Therefore f dash of x is equal to cos x is less than 0, where the x belongs to what? Pi by 2 to pi. Hence f is strictly decreasing. Hence f is strictly decreasing in pi by 2 to pi. Hence f is strictly decreasing in pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi. Next one. Next question. Prove that the function given by cos x given by f of x is equal to cos x. F of x is equal to cos x is first question. First one, strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing in 0 to pi. Strictly decreasing in 0 to pi. Second one, strictly increasing in pi to 2 pi. Strictly increasing in pi to 2 pi. Third one, neither increase nor decrease in 0 to 2 pi. In 0 to 2 pi. Solution. F of x is equal to what? Cos x. F of x is equal to cos x. F dash of x is equal to sin x, isn't it? Minus sin x. So here the answer itself is negative. By seeing the negative, we can conclude that it is less than 0. Less than 0 means decreasing function. Since, give the reason. Since each x belongs to what? For the first one, x belongs to 0, pi. X belongs to 0, pi. So 0 to pi. What do you mean by 0 to pi? 0 to pi. Both are positive. ನಿನಗೆ 0 to pi ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ASTC rule. All the trigonometric ratios are positive. Sin is positive. But here minus is there. Therefore the value becomes negative. Isn't it? We have f dash of x is equal to minus sin x, which is less than 0. Therefore f is strictly decreasing. Next, second one, since x belongs to pi to 2 pi, pi to 2 pi means pi to 2 pi. It lies between third quadrant and fourth quadrant, isn't it? In between third and fourth quadrant, the sign will be negative. So negative into negative, it becomes positive. Already one negative is there in the derivative. So into negative, it becomes positive. Therefore it is an increasing function. So f dash of x is equal to minus sin x is greater than 0 for x belongs to pi to 2 pi. Therefore f is strictly increasing. Therefore f is strictly increasing. From the two table, if you consider from 0 to pi, the graph will never be increase nor decrease, isn't it? From the first and the second question. The first question we are telling that from 0 to pi it is decreasing, from pi to 2 pi it is increasing. Therefore it is neither increasing nor decreasing. Clearly, third condition, from A and B, f is neither increasing nor decreasing. Is it clear? Next type of problems, we have to find the intervals. In the previous types of problems, they had given the intervals. In this problem, we have to find the intervals. How to find the interval? How to find an interval? First question. Find the interval. Find the intervals in. Find the intervals in which. Find the intervals in which the function f given by, in which the function f is given by f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 6x square minus 72x plus 30. This is the given equation. How to find the intervals? First question, strictly increasing. First question is strictly increasing. Second one, strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing. So take the f of x. F of x is equal to 4x cube minus 6x square minus 72x plus 30. Differentiate the equation. So f dash of x is equal to 4 into 3x square minus 6 into 2x minus 72 into 1, and put the star for this. This is very important question. Put the star, which is equal to f dash of x is equal to 12x square minus 12x minus 72. 12x square minus 12x minus 72. Let us take 12 as common. So it will be x square minus x minus 6. If you find the factors for this, what are the factors? X square minus x minus 6, x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Take out the x common, x minus 3 plus 2 common, x minus 3. So x minus 3 into x plus 2. X minus 3 into x plus 2 are the factors. Write down the factors. X minus 3 into x minus 2 are the factors, isn't it? So therefore f dash of x is equal to 0 if you consider 12 x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Therefore, x plus 2, isn't it? So that it becomes x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 lies between what? The roots are minus 3. 3. The roots are 3, minus 2, 3, plus infinity, minus infinity. What are the roots? Minus 2, 3, plus infinity and minus infinity. Further, how to solve the next step? Here you got the root. Next, what are the roots? We got the roots as, these are the roots, isn't it? The roots we got it as minus infinity, minus 2, 3 and plus infinity. This is very important question, children. Next, how to find the roots that which are positive and which are negative? You make the column. We got the 3 points. Minus infinity to the intervals. Here we get the 3 interval. Minus infinity to minus 2. Then minus 2 to 3. Then 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity. Sign. What will be the sign of f dash of x? What will be the sign of the f dash of x? The sign will be, that is, we gave the number as, we got that f dash of x is equal to 12 into x minus 3 into x plus 2. Isn't it? X minus 3 into, I'm sorry, you correct here. Just I wrote minus, it is plus. X plus 2. X plus 2. Just make a slight correction. X plus 2. Next, for the first interval, minus 2 to infinity means you can give minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, anything. Just I am giving the minus 3. So, what will be the f of minus 3? Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 plus 2. So, ನೀವು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರು ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಇಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 3, ಮೈನಸ್ 4, ಮೈನಸ್ 5 ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಮೈನಸ್ 6, ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0. Negative into negative will be always greater than 0, which will be positive. Therefore, what's the condition? Nature of the function. This is called nature of the function. What is the nature of the function? If it is greater than 0, yes, f is strictly increasing. F is strictly increasing. Next, let us take one number between minus 2 to 3. You take one number between minus 2 to 3. If you want to take one, okay, take 1. 12 into 1 minus 3, 1 plus 2, which is equal to 12 into minus 2, 3. We don't want the number. Positive into negative. You are getting negative for the first number. Positive for the second number. Positive into negative, it becomes what? 0. Which is less than 0. Andre f dash ಏನಾಯ್ತು? F dash is less than 0. So f is strictly decreasing. F is strictly decreasing. You take one number between 3 to infinity. You take 4. 12 into 4 minus 3. 4 plus 2, which is equal to 12 into 1, 6. ಅಂದ್ರೆ both are positive. Don't do this in the exam. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ how we wrote ಅಂತ. So in the first case, in between minus infinity to minus 2, we will get positive. It means that f dash of x is greater than 0. If you take the number between minus 2 to 3, it will be negative. So that is f dash of x is less than 0. If you take the number between minus 3 to 3, you will get positive. That is f dash of x is greater than 0. F is strictly increasing. F is strictly increasing. So what will be the condition? What you will write in the last conclusion? So f dash of x is you will give the conclusion that f dash of x is strictly increasing. Dash of x is strictly increasing for minus infinity to minus 2 union 3 to infinity. So f dash of x is strictly decreasing for minus 2 to 3. Strictly decreasing for minus 2 to 3. Next problem. Next one. Next one. Find the intervals. If they ask the interval, it is a 3 marks question. If they give the intervals, it is 2 marks. If you have to find the interval, it is a 3 marks question. Find the intervals in which the function f given by f of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x is strictly increasing. Second one, strictly decreasing. Strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. Just differentiate it first. So the f of x is equal to what? 2x square minus 3x. So that you differentiate it with respect to x. So f dash of x is equal to 2 into 2x minus 3, which is equal to 4x minus 3. Let f dash is equal to 0. To find the intervals, you take f dash of x is equal to 0. It becomes 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 3. X is equal to what? 3 by 4. X is equal to 3 by 4, which lies x is equal to 3 by 4. Minus infinity to plus infinity. It is 3 by 4. You will get the two intervals. Minus infinity to 3 by 4, 3 by 4 to infinity. So if you consider the one of the negative number, you take one number and you substitute in the f dash of x. The other one number togoli. You take any one number and substitute, so that ಸೊ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ 3/4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? 0 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಸಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸಾರಿ, 0.6 ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 1. ಯು ಟೇಕ್ -1. -1 ಲೈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು. ಸೊ -1 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ -7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ -infinity to 3/4 and it is increasing for 3 to infinity. How will you give the conclusion? Now you got the intervals. Intervals ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. How to give the conclusion of the intervals. You got the intervals as two intervals. Minus infinity to 3/4 and 3/4 to plus infinity. 3/4 to plus infinity. You give the conclusion that for minus infinity comma 3/4 f dash of x is less than 0. F dash of x is less than 0. Therefore f is strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing. Now take the second condition. What is the second condition? Next we have to take the second condition, that positive values. Take the positive value. So 3/4 comma infinity. For 3/4 comma infinity, f dash of x is greater than 0. Greater than 0. Therefore f is strictly increasing for 3/4 comma infinity. It is strictly increasing for 3/4 comma infinity. Is it clear? Next question. This is how we have to find the intervals. For intervals it is 3 marks. Next question. Put the star. This is also the important question. Put the star, children. Find the intervals. Find the intervals in which the function f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7 is a question strictly increasing. Is strictly increasing. B question. Strictly decreasing. Second one, strictly decreasing. Differentiate the function. So consider the f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7. You differentiate it with respect to x. It becomes f dash of x is equal to 2 into 3x square minus 3 into 2x minus 36 into 1, which is equal to 6x square minus 6x minus 36. Take out the 6 common. So x square minus x minus 6. So solve the quadratic equation. X square minus x minus 6. It can be written as x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Take out the x common. X minus 3 plus 2 common. x minus 3. So therefore the roots are x minus 3 into x plus 2. Write down 6 into x minus 3 into x plus 2. So if you consider f dash of x is equal to 0, you will get x minus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. We get x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2. Therefore the roots are, just I will erase the question. So therefore the roots you will get it as minus 2, 3 plus infinity minus infinity. So we have did this, isn't it? Same intervals. We got the same intervals. For first interval, it is both will be the negative. What is f dash of x? F dash of x is x minus 3 into x plus 2, 6 into x minus 2 into x plus 3. So write the intervals, sign and the nature of the function. Nature of the function, sign of f dash of x, sign of f dash of x. So what are the intervals? Minus infinity comma minus 2. If I take minus 3, I will get both as negative, isn't it? So f dash of x is equal to minus into minus. So therefore f dash of x is what? Minus into minus, it becomes plus, which is greater than 0. Nature is f is strictly increasing. F is strictly increasing. Go to the second interval. The second interval is minus 2 comma 3. In between the minus 2 and 3, if I give 1 will be negative and 1 will be positive. 6 into negative. Second term will be positive. Negative into positive, it will be negative. So that which is less than 0. So f is strictly decreasing. Go to third number. 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity means both are positive. 6 into positive, first term is also positive and the second term is also positive. So f dash of x is greater than 0. So f is strictly increasing. F is strictly increasing function. Therefore, give the conclusion that f is strictly increasing for minus infinity to minus 2 union 3 to infinity. Therefore, f is strictly decreasing for minus 2 to 3. It is strictly decreasing for minus 2 to 3. So we shall solve some more problems in the next video. Thank you.